It's the receptor which is first time receiving the sensation of pain. Hello my dear friends, I'm Dr. Vaishali Bharambe, Professor Anatomy. And this is my Draw and Label series. Today we're going to draw the lateral spinothalamic tract, the pain pathway. So the first part of our drawing is to draw parts of CNS which are involved in the conduction of this pain sensation. The parts involved begin by drawing the spinal cord first. Now let's add the dorsal root ganglion, the ventral root and the spinal nerve. Now let's draw the brainstem. Midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, add the thalamus. We are going to draw the cerebral cortex. Now let's begin to label this, okay? So here is your cerebral cortex, the thalamus, the midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, spinal cord, dorsal root ganglion, and finally the pain. Now we draw the receptor and the first order neuron. So here is your receptor. It's the receptor which is first time receiving the sensation of pain. Put in place the neuron lying in the dorsal root ganglion. And that is the end of the process of picking up pain and carrying it into the spinal cord. We now go to the third part of our description, drawing the second order neuron and the crossing of sensation of pain from one side to the next. This is very important. In the spinal cord, in the posterior gray horn, now there is one more neuron. This neuron now picks up that sensation of pain. Its axon crosses the midline, travels to the opposite side lateral funiculus and begins to ascend upwards. Now sensation of pain enters into the brainstem to finally relay in the thalamus. The tract it forms on the opposite side is called as the lateral spinothalamic tract. In the brainstem, the same tract is called as the spinal lemniscus. The next part consists of the third order neuron and finally the perception of pain in the cerebral cortex. So now our job is to draw one more neuron. So you can see how there is a neuron in the thalamus, the axon of which is traveling to the cerebral cortex. Who is the first order neuron? The neuron lying in the dorsal root ganglion. Who is the second order neuron? The neuron lying in the posterior gray horn. Now who is the third order neuron? It's the neuron lying in the thalamus. And that, my dear friends, is the pain pathway. This, my dear students, is very simply the lateral spinothalamic tract. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Okay, if you did, do please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you, students. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.